We have the Medusa's Makeup box for August. And according to the little card that comes with it, it is their 10-year anniversary. So happy anniversary, Medusa's Makeup! I like the little card because on the back it tells you what comes and what the prices are. And this box has a value for this month of $74. So let's see what we've got. I like their little pouches that they send. They are resealable. They are plastic. And they come in handy for all kinds of uses. Yes, I put makeup in here. I put pens and pencils in here. I've been known to stick in Band-Aids and other tiny first aid supplies, especially if it's a long, hot walking day at an amusement park. These things come in handy. Glad to get it. This is a baked eyeshadow in the shade Moody. I let Anne do the swatch since it's just one thing to swatch. It has a nice shimmer. Yeah, I like the shimmer on this. It probably too much of a shimmer to be a bronzer, but maybe a highlighter, especially maybe for the collarbone area. It's a thought. And this is a, what is this? A $14 item. This is a blush, Sweet Cheeks, Pinky Swear Blush. I'm picking up, just sniffing at it through its plastic. I don't even have to open it. I'm picking up a baby powder scent, and I know that's going to drive my allergies bonkers. So this one's going to be saved for a future gift down the road. And did we mention the retail value of $14? We have a liquid lip from the brand Forevermore, which I think is one of their brands, in the shade VFF. That's a little closer look at what it is. It looks like it will be a nice neutral shade. And it has a retail of $16. This is a Mystical Eye Dust. It's $12. It's in the shade Ganesha. I think I said that right. This I will probably pass along. Loose eyeshadow, and I'm more messy than I am productive with it. So I'm going to probably pass this along to someone that can maybe put it to better use. Nice shade though. This is from Sadur. It is a facial sheet mask. It is supposed to moisturize and hydrate. And we got ours in the scent Strawberry. From what I can see via the grapevine, there were lots of different fruit scents, and it was just luck of the draw as to which one you got. This is from Funk Style. It is a $10 lip gloss, and it's a orangey-ish shade, and hopefully the camera picks it up. There are some golden sparkles in there. I think it's gonna be a fun one to use, if I can get a hold of both of them together, with this. I think these two are gonna complement each other rather nicely. Oh, this could be fun and interesting. Yes, it could. And last but not least, we got a cute little rainbow nail file. I think it said it was a $3 retail value, but this is just too stinking cute. Yeah, this is a cute one. I probably won't use it. It's gonna become decor somewhere up there behind us. So what were your favorite items from this month? Well, I would say the face mask and the 2 lip products, because as I said, I think they will make a nice collaboration with each other. I think that's going to be kind of fun to give it a try. And speaking of using Medusa makeup products, essentially today my look is Medusa's makeup. I've got lipstick and lip gloss. I've got 2 different kinds of eyeshadow and a blush. Now here's the fun thing about the blush. Technically it's an eyeshadow. I thought it made a rather nice blush. Yes, it does. What did you see that you liked? Do you get this box? Let me know, let me know. I'm an inquiring child. I want to know all the details. And taking a quick look at the nitty-gritty, because that's what she likes to do. This box, again, is celebrating its 10th anniversary, so happy anniversary. Indie brands, female-owned, female-founded, 4 to 6 beauty items every month for $26, vegan and cruelty-free, free shipping as well. And so I think it's a darn good value for the money. Me too, me too. Thanks for watching today. Like, comment, subscribe, notification bell, all that fun stuff. Share with your friends, because they just raised the requirements for getting monetized, so I don't think we stand a chance. But if you know someone that might like our channel, please share, we would appreciate it. And we hope to catch you again on another video. See you there!